In a courtroom packed with media and tension, something completely unexpected happened. A federal judge insulted Congresswoman Jasmine Crockett in front of everyone. And just minutes later, the tables turned in a way no one saw coming. Stay tuned, because this is one political showdown that took a shocking twist, ending in handcuffs. It was supposed to be a routine court hearing involving a policy dispute over federal oversight. Jasmine Crockett, a rising star in Congress, known for her fiery speeches and sharp intellect, was present to provide testimony. But the judge, Howard Gates, known for his traditionalist approach and tough demeanor, seemed ready for a clash from the start. From the moment Crockett walked in, the tension was thick. The judge reportedly made subtle jabs, questioning her credibility and dismissing her remarks with visible disdain. Then it happened. As Crockett was mid-sentence, Judge Gates interrupted her. "Let's stick to facts, Congresswoman. Leave your emotions and grandstanding for social media." The courtroom went silent. Reporters froze. Crockett paused, took a breath, and responded with composure. "With all due respect, Your Honor, I came with facts. What I didn't expect was bias in the bench." Social media exploded within minutes. Clips of the interaction went viral. Hashtags like "You're in Crockett EV's Gates" and "Your courtroom bias" trended nationwide. Crockett's allies in Congress expressed outrage. Activists began calling for an investigation. It seemed like a media storm until things took an even more unexpected turn. Behind the scenes, Crockett's legal team had already begun digging. Within hours, evidence surfaced of misconduct by Judge Gates, allegations of favoritism in previous rulings, and worse, emails leaked that hinted at conflicts of interest in the very case he was presiding over. Armed with this new information, Crockett held a press conference outside the courthouse the next morning. "This isn't about me. This is about every citizen who expects fairness in the justice system," she declared. By noon, a formal complaint was filed. The Judicial Ethics Board began an emergency review. What happened next shocked everyone. Judge Gates was placed under federal investigation. Days later, U.S. Marshals executed a warrant. He was arrested on charges including obstruction of justice and ethical misconduct. For many, it was a moment of justice. For others, it raised hard questions about power, integrity, and the role of the judiciary. Jasmine Crockett once again had become the face of political resistance. Supporters hailed her as a hero who stood her ground and used facts to fight back. Critics, of course, questioned the motives, but the message was clear. Abuse of power won't go unchecked, no matter where it comes from. Major networks ran features. Editorials praised her calm under fire, and the courtroom where it all began, now under full review. This story may be dramatized, but it represents something very real: the demand for accountability, even in the highest seats of power. Jasmine Crockett didn't just defend herself. She flipped the script, showing what can happen when someone dares to challenge injustice, even in the most sacred halls of justice. Thanks for watching The Spotlight Room, where truth, drama, and power collide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Who should we spotlight next?